Today we're going to review the snack crate from Brazil. We're going to try Cheetos and Oreos. Cheetos. Here's the Oreos.
Okay. Alright, so these look like they're supposed to be cream cheese sour cream. We're going to try those first. Here we go. Ready?
Good. They're good.
They have a very awkward taste to them. They're kind of like somebody took paprika and sour cream and sprinkled it all over Cheetos. Okay, and the other one we're going to try is
Oreos.
Yes, and these are called Biz Oreos. And they look like bars. They come in these tiny, cute little blue packages. Look at that. They're individually wrapped. It really looks like a very thin covering of white chocolate on a Nutter Butter, but it's not a Nutter Butter, it's Oreo. What do you think,
They're
Charlie?
good.
These are very good. They almost taste like the white covered chocolate Oreos at Christmas time, except it tastes darker. The chocolate tastes darker, and it definitely has less of a sugar taste to the chocolate, but more of a sugar taste to the white chocolate, which is interesting. Okay, so the other things we're going to try with our family is some Ruffles. And these look like corn chips. They're called Amelia, maybe? And they're kind of, they actually kind of look at the bottom, they kind of look like big, gigantic Cheerios. And then I think these are the actual corn chips. And I cannot read that at all. Tiratanina. And then there's a Club Social, which I think is a cracker with cheese, maybe? I can't read this at all. It's some caramel mocha something. And then it came with a Trento bar and Trento bites that are chocolate and Torraguta, whatever that is. 2 of those, and then something that says Pacoquita. So anyway, that's it for our video. Thanks for hanging out and paying attention.
Thanks for hanging out and paying attention. Bye.
Bye.